Yeah, hi Vinas, I'm back again to discuss one important aspect of your preparation. So coming to this particular word, that is integrated approach. Okay, you can call it as integrated approach of reading. Okay, right now we are at different level of preparation. Okay, few people they have started preparation long back, and few people they are about to start their preparation. So whatever may be your level of preparation, it should be always integrated from now. This is what the theme that we are following from past few years. Okay, but if you see the drift in the recent examinations of NEET 2020, okay, so they have given something called as integrated questions. We are doing this integrated approach from long back, but now the drift has shifted to integrated MCQs. Integrated MCQs. What does integrated MCQs means? Okay, let's call it as integrated MCQs or case-based MCQs or lengthy MCQs or a combination of MCQs. What is integrated MCQ means? Okay, so integrated MCQ is an MCQ which starts at one subject and ends towards other subject. For example, I can give a simple example. A patient has approached the department upon examination of his trigeminal nerve. Okay, the trigeminal nerve. Okay, one of the branch is damaged. Means here you have to know about the branches of trigeminal nerve first of all. That is your general anatomy part. Then after, upon examination, there was a deviation. Means examination of trigeminal nerve will comes under physiology or it comes under general medicine. So upon examination, it was an abnormality related to one branch of trigeminal nerve, and these are the clinical features which are seen in this case. The clinical features comes under your part of general medicine or your oral medicine or a part of your oral pathology and general pathology too. So upon diagnosis, what is the best treatment option that you can give? Treatment option, or what is the best drug of choice that you can give to this particular patient? Okay, drug of choice is a pharma question. So this is how you have started. Where you have started from general anatomy, moving towards general medicine, then after moving towards the clinical features in your oral path, oral medicine, then after we are talking about pharmacology, and this is how an integrated question is. Means you need a combination of knowledge from all the subjects. You need the branches, you need the basic physiology, you need the clinical features, then after you need the drug of choices too. Okay, so people say this is the toughest question. Yeah, this is a lengthy lines and toughest question, but I feel like this is an easy question because they are giving more clues. Whenever the number of clues in a particular question increases, there is high chance that you will go for the right answer, because at the end it's all about options A, B, C, D. You need to choose the best. Whenever you have more clues, you can eliminate options and you can go for the right answer. So please guys, from now, my personal suggestion to all of you, like you are on nice track, you are so positive, you're dominating this COVID-19 era, working hard and implementing most of your time and strategies onto the preparation. But what best you can do, how better you can update it, is you need to have this integrated approach of reading. This is what I have implemented. Right now we are going with a particular subject of general medicine, physiology, with combination with pharmacology, but your idea should be oriented in such a way it should be integrated. Everything has to be connected to one point. Like trigeminal nerve, you need to learn everything around it. When you're talking about, another example I can give is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a part of your microbiology. We give more importance to TB in microbiology. We give more importance to TB in general medicine. We give more importance to this in oral path. We'll give more importance to it in oral medicine. We'll give more importance to it in pharmacology. So this is how you have to integrate one part to other part. Similarly, when you're talking about dental subjects, your pedo and ortho are integrated. Your pediatric endodontics and endo is integrated. Your dental materials and conservator are integrated. Your dental materials and prosthetics are integrated. So most of the things you have to learn in this way. This is how you can score better in the examination and score better in your life too, because every case you have to handle in an integrated approach, multidisciplinary approach. Because in future, if you are opening a clinic and if you're planning something, everything treatment should be in such a way that it should be multidisciplinary, means it should be an integrated approach. So please try to implement this concept, which will definitely help you out to make you better as you progress into the preparation. Done for now. Signing off, Dr. Srikanth from Team MDS Conquer.